Imagine waking up in one of the busiest cities in the world and suddenly seeing a massive skyscraper engulfed in flames. Thick black smoke rising into the sky, fire crews battling desperately, and hundreds of people being evacuated. Today, we are talking about the shocking fire incident reported in Tai Po, Hong Kong, where a skyscraper caught fire and caused panic across the city. But how did this fire start? And what really happened inside that building? Let's break it down. The viral footage shows a tall building wrapped in green construction safety nets. Suddenly, flames appear on a lower section, rising fast. Within minutes, black smoke spreads across multiple floors. Firefighters are seen spraying water from long-range cannons, trying to stop the fire from climbing upward. This is a clear sign that the fire started inside a construction zone, not in a finished residential building. Reports claim this skyscraper was under construction or undergoing renovation. Buildings covered with green nets are usually being repainted, being refitted, under structural renovation, or in the final stages of construction. These nets help stop falling debris, but unfortunately, they also help fire spread much faster because the netting and temporary construction materials are highly flammable. Now the most important question. How did the fire actually start? There are several very common causes of skyscraper construction fires. 1. Electrical short circuit. During construction, temporary wiring is used. These wires are often exposed, overloaded, or poorly protected. Just one spark can ignite wooden planks, plastic sheets, or insulation materials. 2. Welding sparks. Welders use torches that reach temperatures above 3,000 degrees C. If sparks fall on plastic pipes, nylon nets, thinner insulation sheets, dry wooden frames, a fire can break out instantly. 3. Flammable construction materials. Construction sites usually contain paint cans, thinner, chemical adhesives, solvents, plastic wraps. These ignite extremely fast. 4. Human negligence. Sometimes a simple cigarette butt or leftover fire from cooking by workers can cause a massive blaze. 5. Equipment failure. Generators, electric saws, and heavy machinery can overheat or malfunction, triggering a fire. This Hong Kong fire is likely connected to one or more of these common construction hazards. The speed of the fire shocked many viewers, but here's the science behind it. A. The green safety netting burns quickly. Once fire touches the net, it melts and spreads the flame upward, floor by floor. B. Vertical tunnel effect. Construction areas often have open vertical shafts. Hot air rises, creating a chimney-like effect that makes the fire climb extremely fast. C. No internal fire protection yet. Since this was not a completed building, it likely had no fireproof walls, no sprinklers, no fire doors, no internal alarms. This allowed the fire to move freely. Within minutes, Hong Kong's fire services department arrived. They used high-pressure water cannons, elevated platforms, long-range hoses. Their goal was simple: stop the fire before it reached the upper floors. Fire trucks blocked the nearby roads, and emergency teams began mass evacuation of surrounding areas. Fortunately, early reports suggested no casualties thanks to quick emergency action. People living around the building were terrified. Local residents said their windows became covered in smoke, ash was falling like rain, alarms were ringing everywhere, roads were jammed with people trying to escape. Videos show residents filming the fire from nearby towers, shocked by how fast the flames spread. This fire is a powerful reminder that high-rise construction zones are extremely vulnerable. Cities like Hong Kong, Dubai, and Singapore frequently deal with such risks. Key lessons. Construction sites must follow strict safety protocols. Proper insulation and fireproof materials must be used. Electric systems must be checked daily. Workers must avoid unsafe practices. Fire equipment must be ready at all times. Only then can such disasters be prevented. The Tai Po skyscraper fire shows how quickly things can go wrong in a high-rise environment, but it also proves how fast emergency teams can act to prevent a bigger tragedy. If you want more breakdowns like this, don't forget to follow and stay tuned.